Shakas, aloha crafty friends. Oops, sorry, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to share with you another stack of cards that I made, trying to use up whatever scraps, pieces of papers I've had left from this collection. And so this one I got a lot of cards, but I did have a lot of paper left over. This was from the surprise collection from the Stamps of Life, and I'm not sure. This might have been a 2020 set. But anyways, so I've finished up all the paper and the scrap paper in this pad and used up most of the ephemera and embellishments that the kit comes with. So I'm just going to share with you some of them. I ended up getting 15 of these cards, and if you watched my previous video, I will link it here. You will know that I've been working on these since Christmas Day, since my family has been sick and I've had to quarantine. So this is what I've been doing to pass the time, and working from home as well. So here's another one. Birthday toast. I just think that's so funny. Some of them I've embellished a lot, some of them not so much. But what I actually did was I cut out this layer here on all of the cards. I cut out pieces like this that I backed everything on to save paper. You've seen me do that before. But here's another one, and another one, and another one, and another one, another one, and another one. So if you've stayed this far in the video, go ahead and comment cute cactus card. Cute cactus card. Leave that in your comment below and you'll be entered to, I'm just going to randomly send 5 of these cards to you. So if you are interested and would like to receive some of these cards, then go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section below. The comment must have cute cactus card. No S. Cute cactus card. You must be a subscriber, visible. You must be 18 years or older. Sorry, this is only for US residents only. And if you have questions, my email is in the description box below. Hit me up there. So good luck. If you're new, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas.